Can you put new shingles over old ones? Can you? Yes. Do we? No. And there's a specific reason for that. I don't think that you're going to get the cost savings, or it's not going to be worth it to do that. What happens when you have perfectly good new shingles over an older roof system is you have that shingle deteriorating from underneath at a higher rate than it normally would, because you already have one that's old underneath it that's already had started the deterioration process. The example I use is like a loaf of bread. If you introduce a moldy piece or one that's already deteriorated or farther along in that process of getting moldy, and you put it in with that new loaf, that entire loaf's going to be moldy in significantly faster amount of time than it would be if you just had the new pieces of bread. And so your roof kind of works the same way. If you have it degrading from underneath and it's touching the new shingles, then it's going to cause them to prematurely age, and they don't last long at all.